communicating with perfect English grammar in international business isn't your main goal. However, speaking up with confidence and clarity is. Hi, I'm Melanie Hussle. I'm a business communication coach with prior European corporate experience of over 16 years at senior management level. I know you want to focus on the challenges of your job, and often you have to do this in English, adding extra complexity. Through coaching hundreds of clients, I've observed that for those with weak grammar, it is often the tenses that cause the biggest issues and frustrations. Knowing exactly which tense to use and what questions to ask can cause you to either speak slowly or not at all, or you select the easiest but incorrect option. Therefore, you lack clarity. As a result, you feel stressed, less competent, and less credible. You've probably spent years studying the tenses at school and university, perhaps using apps and attending business classes, but you still haven't found a business-orientated solution that works for you. This is why I've created the How to Refresh Your English Tenses course, specifically for business professionals. The course covers 4 main tenses, used in up to 70% of our spoken communication. The videos are short and concise, making the learning time very efficient. I've also included pronunciation support to help you with your spoken English. To deeply acquire the knowledge learnt in the videos, relevant business exercises and speaking activities are incorporated. On top of this, useful vocabulary and expressions are integrated, which are important for your professional networking situations. The course is ideal for pre-intermediate, intermediate and upper intermediate users of English. It typically takes 1 to 2 months to complete, with 1 or 2 hours work a week. Being able to master the tenses will help unlock your confidence and empower you to speak up in any situation. I want to live in a world where the best ideas are heard from all non-native English speakers, and not just advanced and native speakers. I want to boost your confidence and credibility by improving your tense accuracy. Are you ready to get started? I hope you join me so you can drive change and make a bigger impact in English.